Hello and welcome. Today is Thursday, the 9th day of October 2014. My name is Derek, and a quick silver chart update within this daily time frame. And today's action is pretty close to break even right now, up 7 cents thus far at 17.45. And the third day tangling in within this 18 average band. The first time it's been in there for quite some time. In fact, that's the first time it's even seen the 18 average of closes since in here. It barely got above the 18 average of highs, first time since here. What this means to me for a bullish level, what I need to see, step number one, flattening out within this band, and that'll happen by tomorrow if it doesn't break down and stay below 17 and a third, really 17 and a quarter. That's step number one. Step number two, after the band is flattened, is to break above this resistance level and establish another resistance mark. 18 is a significant psychological level, as would the 1840 level. When resistance is established, you'd want it to, or maybe expect it to come back. I can't say want because that depends on the person. But you establish resistance, come back to the newly rising band would be the next thing you would expect. And then when you break established resistance, those are these steps that I'm looking for a multi-day bull market to come into play. With that being said, since it has been or is currently within this correctionary phase, if price action breaks below what this key support level is, roughly, we can even say 17 even level, and it holds and stays below there for a couple hours, then it would be looking as if it'd be making a test of this previous low, but more likely making another lower low, as that's what this pattern has been doing, because it's still in a bear market, nothing to change it yet. And that will be it for today's video, other than the volatility I want to talk about, because today's volatility is already at 2.13%. It's the 8th consecutive day of a greater than 2% volatility, the first time this has happened, going back to February the 3rd of this year, where there was 8 consecutive at 2% days. Before that, the last time there was 8 consecutive days was September the 16th of last year, and there was 43 consecutive 2% days. So the whole point of me pointing this out is we've been experiencing a lot of low volatility movements for quite some time. And it's really just starting to pick up. And that's what you would normally expect when you're at these very low suppressed levels, whether it's going to be the start of a multi-day, multi-month bull market, or if price action is going to continue to make lower highs and lower lows. High volatility either way should be expected. Now, if you start to make higher highs and higher lows, price action breaks 18 and 19, then I would expect volatility to not be quite as high. But that would be until that point. So thank you for tuning in, and take care.